Hey Winxers, what's up? My name is Tyler and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be restoring this Ballerina Stella by Mattel. But before we get into this, I am doing a giveaway every single week in December, and this week the giveaway is... Alright Winxers, so for this week's giveaway, I am doing some Winx merch. Now the first thing will be this Italian coloring book, a US version of debut issue 1 comic from Winx, as well as a stack of Panini mystery stickers. As you can see, lots of pages of stuff to have fun with in these books, lots of things to do and color. And then of course you have the comics, which are classic and the artwork is unforgettable. And then of course we have all the stickers and all the many possibilities you can get from opening these. Now, for official rules and entry into how you can win this week's prize, check out my Instagram after you watch this video. The link will be in the description, and that will tell you exactly how you can win all these wonderful Winx items. So, on with the video. Alright, and before I get into this, be sure to subscribe because I'm posting 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in the month of December at 12 p.m. EST, so don't miss a video. And like I said, a giveaway every week, so let's get into this. Okay, so Stella definitely has one of the more interesting hair designs in like the entire Mattel doll lineup, if you ask me. It's essentially a bun that has another bit of hair sticking out of the center of it that is then curled. Now I am just removing the rubber bands that were placed on here. They're all gummy and old and they need to be redone. As you can see with this second Stella, this is definitely an interesting hairstyle. It's not as daunting as one might think, honestly. It's pretty similar to the Flora Ballerina video that I did the other day, which I will link here. However, there is that like center curl that we have to take into account. Other than that, it's pretty much just a fancy bun. So I'm gonna start by brushing out her hair so it's nice and neat. Then I'm gonna find a rubber band that matches the original hair ties she would have had, which would have been a light pink color, kind of like this. Something that also matches the outfit is fine as well. After that, I'm just gonna put it up into a nice ponytail. I'm going to pull out my second rubber band that matches the first one, and then I'm gonna begin twisting her hair clockwise to get it to set into the bun shape. Now, as I twist it to turn it into a bun, I am taking into account that little bit that needs to come through the center, and I'm just holding it off to the side so I don't tie it up. Now the final thing, of course, is just putting that second hair tie around the bun to hold it into place. There's gonna be a bit of hair in the back that kind of overlaps, so you're gonna wanna spray this with hairspray and kind of smooth it out. The original hairstyle would have had this as well. As with most buns, there's a little bit in the back, but just a good dose of hairspray will make it lay nice and flat. So here she is, all done and restored. She is looking adorable and gorgeous and full of grace and just ready to hit that ballet floor, or dance floor, I guess, whatever you would call it. So that is all I have for you guys in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and comment, that you liked it or that you redid it. Let me know if you replicated this style on another doll or if you restored your own Ballerina Stella, and tag me on Instagram. The link is in the description. So yeah, until next time guys, bye!